Hello YouTube, this is the Too Cool Stu on a winter storm update. We're getting tons of snow here in New York City. Right now, the coverage is about 3 inches now. I just checked before everyone shoveled. You see a lot of snow we're getting. It's very chilly, it gets a little windy. It gets heavy, the snow at times. Sees a lot of snow. Looking in the streets like a blanket. This is what happened on Christmas. Something like white Christmas. I never experienced that though. People were so windy now. Oh my god, my hat. Now I'm gonna show you that snow we're talking about. I like others. I like the walls and boulders to plug. There it is, worse than. I'm gonna try it out. What you guys see? See, the plug keeps falling out because of the door. So it's gonna take a while to fix. Get off the slush. I'll get a shock. Have to fix the door. Okay, you can get the point if I just show you like this. Okay, hold on, let me just plug this in. Now we'll be on our way. Showing you the snowball. It's a nice snowball. I like it. It's been sitting in my basement, so let me do work. There you go. Okay, stay tuned for live weather updates right here on YouTube. See you later.